How long can you keep cooked food in the fridge? Safe storage guide. You can generally keep most cooked food in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, but some items like seafood or cooked rice, pasta should be eaten within 1 to 2 days, while cured meats might last up to 5 days. Always refrigerate within 2 hours, use airtight containers, and reheat to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, to ensure safety. General guidelines. Most cooked foods, meat, poultry, veggies, soups, 3 to 4 days. Cooked fish and seafood, 1 to 2 days. Cooked rice and pasta, 1 to 2 days, due to potential bacteria, even if reheated. Cured meats, bacon, deli slices, up to 5 days. Egg-based salads, tuna, macaroni, 3 to 5 days. Key safety tips. Cool quickly. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours of cooking. Airtight containers. Store food in sealed containers to prevent contamination and drying out. Freeze if needed. If you won't eat it within 3 to 4 days, freeze it for longer storage, up to 3 to 4 months. Reheat properly. Always reheat leftovers to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius.